In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change number units to Lac and Cr in Power BI. If you build reports for audiences who prefer the Indian numbering system, you'll want your figures grouped as 150,000 instead of 150,000, and in many cases, displayed as Lac and Cr. I'll walk you through two clear approaches, one that applies globally to your entire report using your Windows settings, and another that targets specific measures without changing anything on your computer. First, open Power BI Desktop on your computer and load any report you want to update. Power BI Desktop reads its default number formatting from your Windows regional settings, so changing windows is the quickest way to impact all visuals at once. On Windows, open the Control panel, go to Region, then the Format tab, and set the format to English or India. This setting enables the Indian digit grouping, which places commas as 150,000, 100,000, and so on. Once you've made that change, close and restart Power BI Desktop so it picks up the new format. When you reopen your report, your charts and cards will use the Indian grouping automatically. Keep in mind this is a system level change, so it can affect other applications and date formats too. It's ideal when your entire reporting environment is intended for Indian conventions. If you'd rather avoid changing windows, you can format only the measures that need it. In Power BI Desktop, switch to Model View using the icon on the left, select the measure you want to format. In the Properties pane, scroll to the Formatting section. In the Format drop-down, don't choose General or Whole Number. Instead, use the option that lets you type a custom format string manually. This is where you can specify your preferred display for Lac and Cr. The benefit of this method is that it applies only to the selected measure, leaving everything else untouched. It's great when just a few metrics need to show Lac or Cr while the rest of your model remains standard. If you don't see the custom string box right away, make sure you've selected a measure and that the Properties pane is expanded. That's it. Use Windows English India for a quick report-wide switch to Indian grouping, or apply a custom format string at the measure level for precise control without changing your system. Save your report, review a few visuals to confirm the display, and you're done. Thanks for watching.